What's up, guys? Welcome back to Damien's View. I know it's been a long time, but I decided I'm gonna start taking y'all to work with me. You know what I mean? Like, it's easy content, it's right there, it's all in your, you know what I mean? So I'm actually gonna show y'all what we're gonna get started doing today. And we are gonna do some irrigation. We got the guys cutting up the concrete. We got certain things here. And yeah. All right, guys. So to give y'all a little update. This is what we've done so far. Gotta take that whole chunk out. Say what's up to Devon. Yeah, it's in the back of it.
I just want to make sure I didn't want to.
Oh, no, you good. This is what we working on. These are my minions. Say what's up, guys.
Oh, we're back with Damien's View.
Yes, sir. Look at Tyler. That's my favorite worker because he don't talk much. Dayton is too. But yeah, we're starting this little project here. So here we are, guys. This is what we put in so far. Those are clean outs. And we just gotta finish this tie-in, that tie-in right there. Right here, and that's where it comes out. And this is like a retention pond. So yeah. Boom. We finished pouring the concrete slab. Look at that baby. That look nice, don't it? Up, yep. Looks like we were never here.